Hey guys! So ngayon, kita nyo ba tong box na to? Kala nyo kape. Yan kape. So I'm going to reveal that was inside. So let's go!
Boomerang. Pag sa'yo ko 1, 2, 3, go! Happy!
Sa pagsapit ng dilim, ako'y naghihintay pa rin sa iyong maagang pagdating. Pagkat ako'y nababalisa kung di ka kapiling. Bawat sandali mahalaga sa atin. Tulad ng ibong malaya ang pag-ibig natin. Tulad ng langit na kay sarap marating. Ang bawat tibok ng puso'y kay sarap damhin. Tulad ng himig na kay sarap awitin. At ngayong ikaw ay nagbalik sa aking piling. Luha ng pag-ibig kay sarap haplusin. Tulad ng tubig sa batis, inahag ka ng hangin. Pag-ibig ang ilaw sa buhay natin. Tulad ng ibong malaya ang pag-ibig natin. Tulad ng langit na kay sarap marating. Ang bawat tibok ng puso'y kay sarap damhin. Tulad ng himig ng pag-ibig natin. La 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 la
Birthday po Ninang Itsu. Thank you for being my Ninang and God bless.
Happy birthday, Bes! Thank you sa pagiging mabuting kaibigan, mabuting kasama, mabuting kapwa ko guro. I-enjoy mo ang iyong birthday. Happy 60th birthday. Sana pagpalain ka ng Diyos at mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Thank you ulit. Bes.
Happy birthday, Mami Chu. More blessings and birthdays to come. God bless. God bless. Mabuhay.
Hello, Ma'am Ichu. Madam Ichu. Happy 60th birthday. Welcome to the Senior Club. Marami ka ng discount. Enjoy your senior citizen. Love you too.
Happy birthday, Bes!
Happy birthday.
Happy 60th! Andito lang kami ha. Baka makalimutan mo pa kami. Magpunisi, happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Bes. Faculty room namin, senior high school, 2 pansit, 2 ice cream. Hindi mo kami kalilimutan.
Baso.
Enjoy your day. God bless. More birthdays to come. Happy birthday!
Okay, hi Marichu, happy birthday. More blessing to come. And syempre, ang kagandahan laging nandyan. Yun lang, happy birthday.
Happy 60th birthday, Bes. Dual citizen ka na rin. Enjoy mo 20% discount ng senior. I love you. God bless.
Hello, Chu. Congratulations. Na-reach mo na ang iyong 60th birthday. Yeah. Dual citizen ka na. Ang wish ko sa'yo ay good health, more blessings, and more birthdays to celebrate. Again, happy birthday. I miss you.
Ay, hello, Mami Ichu. Pare, happy birthday. Wishing you all the best. Enjoy your day. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hello, Cho. Happy birthday, my friend. Wishing you good health, happiness, and more blessings. Sana matupad mo ang lahat ng iyong mga pangarap sa buhay at lagi kang gabayan ni Lord. Sana marating mo ang 65th years sa edad at I think papagpapatuloy mo pa yung pagtuturo mo. Enjoy your special day. God bless you always. Sana makarating ako sa birthday mo. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Ma'am Princess. Happy birthday. Enjoy your birthday. Enjoy your day. Wish you the best. Good health always. Everything nice and everything that money can buy. Enjoy your pension days. Enjoy your senior days. Pahiram ng card mo pagka lalabas tayo. Enjoy!
Happy birthday, Linda!